Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Pay and signing into the exact Google account tied to payments. Once done, navigate to the Payments or Offers tab. This is where voucher redemption lives. Enter the 1618-character voucher code carefully. Spacing or mistyped letters cause failure. Make sure your connection is stable because intermittent network errors disrupt verification. You're starting with the essentials, so the app accepts the code on first attempt, and you avoid repeated retries that lock the voucher. You paste or type the voucher and tap Redeem. Immediately scan the confirmation screen to confirm the exact amount and target balance. Once confirmed, authenticate. Google Pay will ask for your PIN, fingerprint, or Google password to finalize the transfer. The system verifies the voucher with the issuer. This can take a few seconds. If the app shows a pending state, wait rather than retrying. Duplicate attempts can mark the voucher used. Keep an eye on the updated balance to ensure funds landed. After redemption, check transaction history to confirm success. Note the redemption ID and timestamp for records. If the voucher fails, recheck code characters and spacing, then retry once with a strong connection. Do not attempt multiple rapid retries because the code may lock. If the balance doesn't update within a few minutes, use the recorded redemption ID when contacting Google Pay support. This speeds resolution. One key tip: screenshot the voucher and error message immediately so you have proof when filing support requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.